Samsung Galaxy Book Pro Windows 11 Intel Evo Platform Laptop Computer 13.3 inches AMOLED screen 11th Gen Intel Core i5 Processor 8GB Memory 256GB SSD Long-lasting battery. Mystic blue about this item, easy on the eyes. Everything looks brilliant with the first 15.6 inches AMOLED screen in a Galaxy Book. Enjoy vibrant viewing while you work or school inside or in direct sunlight. And it lessens eye strain by reducing harmful blue light. Lightest Galaxy Book Laptop. Sleek, ultra-thin and available in a stylish, dual-color design, Galaxy Book Pro is the lightest laptop and won't weigh you down. Do it in a flash. From downloading large documents fast to watching streams with no lag, and more. All with the new 11th Gen Core processor that's Intel Evo certified, so it works on a premium platform. With 512GB of storage, you'll have all the space you need. Long-lasting battery. Power through up to 20 hours on a full battery, then recharge quick with our super small, light charger. Work and play. Pair your devices and jump from work to personal. Set up computer as a second screen for more productivity. Share files with Quick Share. Do your gaming on a larger display. Connect your Galaxy Buds Pro and smoothly switch from video conference to catch up with friends. With Samsung SmartThings capabilities, control other devices with a tap. Look like a pro. Make WFH work for you with tools that help you look, sound and do your best. Attend a last-minute meeting and still make a good impression with our camera beauty filter. Hide your family's ruckus with background noise removal and more. Way better Wi-Fi. Updated OS. Experience next-generation Wi-Fi 6E with speeds up to 3x faster than normal Wi-Fi. Windows 11 Home. To buy this product, clicks on the downlink present in description. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.